Okay, student, hello, how are you? Now, in this lecture, we'll see what do you mean by injection molding. In previous lecture of plastic processing, I have explained what do you mean by what is the plastic processing method, what are the different plastic processing methods. So one of them is explained, that is extrusion is explained now. This is one of the method, that is the injection molding. The setup looks similar to the extrusion. The one difference is there only. As we inject the injection in some body, you know that in case of medical field, that injection is there. Injection means a predetermined, a specific amount of material is fixed, and that is going to inject. Same thing is there here. The in case of extrusion, we have seen that extrusion method is a method in which that is the constant cross section, there is a continuous extrusion is take place. Okay, but in case of injection molding, what happens? A fixed amount of material is there, and a particular hopper. This is a hopper material will be fed over here. There is a rotating screw, and the material will be injected. It is not a continuous cross section. That process is not a continuous. Okay, powder of granules from a hopper into a steel barrel with a rotating screw. The barrel is surrounded by heaters. The screw is forced back as plastic collects at the end of the barrel. Once a sufficient charge of melted plastic has accumulated, a hydraulic ram forces the screw forward, injecting the thermoplastic through a screw into the mold cavity. You can see here the pressure is kept on the mold as sufficient mold for the mold to the open and the component injected. You can see here pressure is kept on the mold until the plastic has cooled sufficiently. And after solidification, this material is injected by injecting pins. Injecting pins are there. This is a die cavity, one of the made in two parts. One is the fixed, it is openable. When it is open, the material will be removed. Material used is normally thermoplastic are used in this process, although a few thermoset plastic can also be injection molded. So are made from high impact polystyrene. This is one of the figure hydraulic system. Polymer injection component ejected injection molding figure, parts of injection molding machine, split motor of hydraulic lamp. You can see here various figures are there. Injection molding produces accurate and complex product with high quality finish. Production is fast with little waste. Wide range of products including balls, bucket containers, toys, electrical parts and car parts. Injection molded parts can be recognized by the distinctive circular marks caused by pins used to remove the object from its mold.